Well, welcome back and thank you for watching. Like I promised before, I told you I'd show you these old rigs that are coming up for auction next week, which is a week from tomorrow, May 23rd. I'm sure some of these are all, or most of them are all project vehicles. Let's take a walk around, take a look. I love looking at old rigs. That's definitely a project. Old square body. There's a nice van for you. You want to go camping? Yeah, okay. Well, look at this old Dodge 100. Oh, it's an old mail carrier. Look at that. That's neat. Sliding window. Boy, you don't see that very often. Was it an old, it's from Arizona. It's a clean rig. I wonder if that was an old camping vehicle or old ambulance. Yeah, it could have been an ambulance. I don't know, that's pretty cool though. And what about this one? Yeah. Boy, look at that front end. Isn't that cool? I wonder how many times wow, look at that. That is, look at those. That is pretty cool. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Mrs. Brady was not in the back seat. All right. F-150 XLT Lariat. Wow. There's a lot of rigs over here. Man, these are some cool old rigs, man. DeSoto. And look at that mirror. How cool is that? Listen, guys and gals. Let me know what you think. You like any of these? Which one's your favorite? Don't be shy. We encourage questions, comments, opinions. You're not going to get in trouble. Just go ahead and blurt it out. Well, that one's all rusted out, but it's still pretty cool. An old Fairlane. Wow. Two-door. Look at this old Ford. But anyhow, yeah, leave a comment down in the bleep bloop section and tell us what you think. Tell me which one's your favorite. Look at that. When was the last time you saw a hood like that? Oh. Well, that is definitely from Cheech and Chong. I do believe that's the exact same car. Yep, there's a doobie in the ashtray. I'll be. How about that? Very cool. There's a trailer you can pull them home with. Oh boy, that roof's blowing out on that one. Yikes. That'll give you some sunburn right on top of your dome. Old Chrysler LeBaron. Nice, cool old cars. Very rare to see these cars around here like this coming up for auction. Man, look at the interior of that. Nice. Wow, that's in really good shape. Pretty cool, huh? Oops, sorry about that. Yeah, not crazy about that color. Ooh, somebody got drunk. Grandma get hit by a reindeer right there. Man, look at this back on this thing. Isn't that cool? Oh, wow, there goes a family wagon right there. Man. Super cool old rigs. Man, I just love these old cars. Look at that, you can put your luggage up on top if you want to. Or your lunch or your cooler or whatever you want. Old VW bus. Pretty blown out. Still, sure somebody's interested in it. Look at that, a bench seat. Put your girlfriend right there next to you. Well, these are really cool, aren't they? Yeah, tell me what you think. I would really like to hear some input. Does anybody like any of these? Which one's your favorite? There's a couple more over here. Let's look at these really quick. Yeah. He might have these in the back because he doesn't want to sell them. Yeah, that's really cool there. Look at the interior of this thing. Wow. That's nice. Yeah, I think your grandma took that car to bingo. All right, well, there you have it. Auction's coming up this next week, a week from tomorrow, May 23rd. I thank everybody for watching. I really thank all my new subscribers. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great weekend.